Hello everyone. So this is a part 2 of our jar modeling in Blender, a space jar. So in this I have shown you how to color it and render it. So watch this video till end and thank you. So this is a model which we have created previously. Now let's start coloring it. So for that select this sphere. Now select the stars, moon, cloud, jar's cap, and just press H for hiding those. Now you can see it clearly. Now let's color this first. Now go to this vertex paint. Now press on X axis, it will paint and go here. Now go to vertex color and name it like blue, like this. Now whatever you can name it, you can. Now pick a color and just adjust your color. Now color it first like this. If you press F and drag your mouse, then your brush size will be increase or decrease. It depends on you. Like this, first color it all properly. In blue color I have done. Now change its color to purple. This color little more dark I want. You can add as per your choice you can add. Now like this, you can also make it yellow, blue, purple as per your choice. Now little bit pink at the top, like this. Now from here take a blur tool. Now just blur it like this, merge, blur it so nicely like this. From down also, from everywhere, wherever you are finding defect on coloring, you can blur it. Just never, don't leave any patches, just color it like this. Now after coloring, let's bring it on here. So for that, go here and press new, take a material. Now go to base color and press on vertex color. So you can see now pink is looking little bit much brighter. So I will adjust this color from here, give it a purple color and again blur it. So for maintaining the color contrast like this. Now you can bring your another material. First just adjust its roughness and metallic like this. Now go to object, you can see. Now let's bring its ring. Actually we have to named our this material whatever we have, so it will be easy for finding them. So let's color this ring. For that, go to emission, then make it in yellow, little bit yellow color, and transmission, increase it like this. Increase or decrease as per your choice. Transmission roughness also, so you can see. Now bring our stars like this. Now go to new, again repeat the process. Again go to emission and make it white or yellow, like this. Transmission roughness and transmission, like this you can give, and too much from here, like this. Now render engine convert it into cycles, so you can see the difference, how bright it is looking and nicer. Now let's color the rest part. So for that, first let's color this cap. New, and I like to add red color into it, like this. Now increase this spectacular roughness, you can see. Now let's color this, its clouds, like this, like these, and press Ctrl J for making it in group. Go to Principal BSDF and find Velvet BSDF, like this. Now make it in blue color, like this. Now Sigma, like this. Now let's make its body. So for that, go to shading. Now let's give it a glass texture. So for that, go to new. Now delete this Principal BSDF, press delete key. Now press Shift A and search glass BSDF, you can see, and attach to surface BSDF. And if you go to render, then render in engine convert it into cycles, so you can see the difference, how nice it is looking, like a glass. Like this. Now you can also now let's color its background plane, which we have created, like this. Now keep it as per your choice, whichever color you want you can keep, like this. Little bit much here, and you can keep, and inside it you can also color it, actually, this glass. So choose whatever color you want, for that you can, it's up to you. And yes, I have added some lights, so don't forget to add it, otherwise it will not look good enough. Now adjust its size, adjust its IOR, like this. Just adjust it like this, as I am doing now. Go here, go to film, and just on this transparent glass, and like this. Now let's color its background. You can color it any color you want. I am keeping this as black, like this. Now go to, let's bring our camera, press N and then lock the camera view. So keep it at your jar, and if you press F12, then you will get the render results. First keep it at the proper position and go here. Now on these all, like this, render NLM, and just press F12 for getting our render image, and wait for your render image like this. It will take a while. So our part 2 is completely done, and you can see our jar model is looking like this. So you can also try it. So I hope you like my tutorial, and also please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and thanks a lot. Bye.